Hi One Ton Plumber friends, today we're going to be replacing a toilet because the tank is cracked. First, turn off the water to the toilet. To turn off the water supply to a toilet, simply close the toilet's shutoff valve. Turn the valve clockwise until it can't turn anymore, then flush your toilet. Then you will need to detach the hose from the toilet. After you've done that, you need to remove the toilet's bolts that anchor the toilet to the floor. When you replace a toilet, you also have to replace the wax ring. That is what Adam is doing here before setting the new toilet on. Note that he also set in the new screws that came with the bolt set before placing the wax ring on. This way, when the toilet is set on top, he can line up the holes on both sides of the toilet right where the screws are sticking up. Beforehand, Adam took the time to get the new toilet out of the box and properly put it together, but here's the new toilet set in place. After it's set in place properly, the last step is reconnecting the toilet hose, bolting down the toilet, and turning back on the water supply. And here's the new toilet fully installed.